Hey guys, I'm Emery Glamour and today we'll be doing a soft bronzy eye. Very quick, easy to do at home. So today I'll be using my Emery Glamour Glow Palette for her eye look. She has a nice bronze skin about her already. So what we're going to do is just enhance her eyes really quick and easy. But first I'm going to start out using a eyeshadow primer base. So I'm going to dab the eyeshadow primer on her eyes. Her eyebrows are already done, as you can see, and I already concealed her eyelid. And I'm just blending the eyeshadow primer up on her eye. Now I'm going to go in with a blending brush and I'm going to blend the color up to her eyebrow bone. You always want to use an eyeshadow primer that's kind of close to your eyeshadow color that you're going to be using. So if we were using like color right now, we would use like a white eyeshadow primer base to bring up color. But because we're going to be using like bronze tone, something close to our skin complexion, we're going to use an eyeshadow base that's a lot more natural. So we want to blend it all out so it's no creasing on the eye. Like that. Now I'm going to go in using a transition color. I'm going to use the Glock J-Lo palette. And I'm going to use more like something like a yellow base or orange base. I'm going to tilt you a little bit this way. And I'm going to have you put your head up and look down right here. So this transition color is really close to her skin tone, because this eyeshadow look that we're doing is very soft, natural, something you can wear every day. You can wear this look going to a date with your boyfriend. You can do this for a cute date night, going to get drinks or something of that nature. I like makeup looks that are so easy to do. It doesn't take that much effort. So for the transition color, this can pretty much cover her whole lid if we wanted to, but we're going to keep it right below the brow bone. And it might look like color's not really coming out, but like I said, this is a color that we want to keep close to her skin color. Just so when we place that highlighter color on top, it can really bring out her eyes. And I love eyeshadow looks that are chocolate friendly, chocolate girl friendly. Who doesn't love that? We all know it's hard to find eyeshadow looks that's for us chocolate girls. So now I'm going to be using pretty much these three in my palette. These can be used for highlighting and eyeshadow and bronzer. So I'm going to have you look down. And what I'm doing is just placing this color right over her lid. My highlighter palette is so pigmented that you can use it as eyeshadow. That's what I love about it the most. This is coming out like a champagne color. which is cute. Colors like this you can wear for winter, you can wear for summertime. Bronze colors you can wear year round. So, just like that. And it really brings out her eye color too. And I'm gonna go back with my transition color that I was using before. So for this look, it's only 2 colors. Because if you're a grandma, you can do this. If you're 10, you could do this eyeshadow look. Anybody can do this look, pretty much. Easy. Some people wear makeup for working out. So, I mean, even working out, you could do this. So right now, I'm going to go in with my Glock eyeliner. This is the darkest eyeliner in the world. So it's kind of going to make her eyes look like hazel. Look down. And I'm using an eyeliner brush. And I'm only going on her waterline. Like that. Really easy. You can also use like a liquid brush. Some people like that. Me personally, I like to use more gel eyeliners because they don't smudge. And most of the time, gel eyeliners are waterproof. So they're so easy to use. And it's easier not to mess up. I'm trying to find. So now I'm going to use my lashes as well. And I'm going to use 2 Glam Lash. The one thing about 2 Glam Lash is that they're very wispy. And I'm using dual glue. Sometimes you might need to cut your lashes to measure them to your eyes. But with her eye shape, they should fit with no problem. You can look up. And it really gave her eye a pop. The one thing about lashes always make the face. And it gives such a beautiful look to the eye. I like to use like a black glue because it's not noticeable. And it's easier to pop on. So now I'm going to go in with a little concealer. Again, this is a very quick eye look. Look up. This concealer is close to her skin tone. And I'm using Kevin Aucoin concealer as well. And all I'm doing is just pretty much blending this into the skin. This makeup look is so easy. You do not need much at all. You could probably do it in less than 10 minutes. I'm going to put a little bit of powder underneath her eye as well. just so her under eye doesn't crease. And I'm going to use Laura Mercier powder. And we're going to put a little eyeliner on her waterline as well. I'm going to use the same gel. Try to look up and focus on something. I don't want your eyes to water. Eyeliner is really hard, so if you get teary-eyed, that is so natural. Eyeliner is hard because we're getting right near your waterline. So now I'm going to use my bronzer for her highlight. So I'm going to have you turn a little bit this way. So what I'm going to do is, the best thing about this highlighter palette is we're going to mix. Mixing is key. And pretty much we're using the same color that we use for her eyeshadow, so it gives a good pop. We can put a little bit on her nose. And on the other side to kind of balance it out. And I'm going to go back again and pretty much just blend it out with the same thing that I used. So this look is great. Every day, easy to do. Always easy. You can use it for anything. So I hope you guys really like this look that we did today. Easy for you to pop, wear every single day for your makeup look, no problem. So you can work out with it or do anything like that, and it's easy to do. So I hope you guys really like the face. I'm gonna have her turn this way. You can see the highlight. We didn't put no contour, no nothing, no blush, and easy for your everyday makeup look. So just for a little touches, after this, you will pretty much spray your face after this, and you'll be able to wear it longer and it settles in the makeup. So I'm just blending it out just to show you guys how you can mute it more if you want to, if this highlight is too much for you. But who doesn't like a bomb highlight look? I know I do, so who doesn't? So it's great to wear every single day. Like I said, you can wear it working out, easy to do. We only did not even three, we did 2 eyeshadows and an eyeliner. So it's wear here, go. The eyelashes make a pop to the eye and really give the eyes a really nice look to it. And we already put a gloss on that she can mute it out, and just easy to do. So I hope you guys really like the tutorial. Easy to do.